Dharmendra, 8th December 1935 to 24th November 2025, was an Indian actor, producer, and politician, best known for his contributions to Hindi cinema. Widely regarded as one of the greatest and most commercially successful megastars in the history of Indian film, he enjoyed a career spanning 65 years, appearing in over 300 films and holding the record for starring in the highest number of hit films in Hindi cinema. Born in Nasrali, Punjab, Dharmendra made his acting debut in 1960 with Dil Bhi Tera, Hum Bhi Tere. He gained initial popularity in the mid-1960s through films such as Aayi Milan Ki Bela, Phool Aur Patthar and Aaye Din Bahar Ke, later achieving superstardom and earning the nickname He-Man of India for his rugged, action-oriented roles. From the late 1960s to the 1980s, he starred in numerous successful Hindi films including Aankhein, Shikar, Aaya Sawan Jhoom Ke, जीवन मृत्यु, मेरा गांव मेरा देश, सीता और गीता, जुगनू, यादों की बारात, दोस्त, शोले, प्रतिज्ञा, चरस, धर्मवीर, चाचा भतीजा, गुलामी, हुकूमत, आग ही आग, ऐलाने जंग and तहलका. His acclaimed performances also featured in films like Bandini, Hakikat, Anupama, Mamta, Devar, Satyakam, नया ज़माना, समाधि, ब्लैकमेल, रेशम की डोरी, चुपके चुपके, दिल लगी, द बर्निंग ट्रेन, गज़ब, and हथियार. Starting in the late 1990s, he transitioned to character roles in successful and critically praised films such as Life in a Metro, Apne, Johnny Gaddar, Yamla Pagla Deewana, Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी, and तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया. In 1997, he received the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award for his contributions to Bollywood. He served as a member of the 15th Lok Sabha, representing the Bikaner constituency in Rajasthan for the Bharatiya Janata Party. As the patriarch of the Deol family, Dharmendra's personal life attracted significant media attention, particularly his marriages to Prakash Kaur and actress Hema Malini. In recognition of his artistic achievements, the Government of India honoured him with the Padma Bhushan in 2012. Dharmendra was born in Nasrali, a village in Ludhiana district, Punjab, British India, on 8th December 1935. He was the son of Keval Krishan and Satwant Kaur, belonging to a Punjabi Hindu Jat family. His ancestral village is Dangon in Ludhiana district. His full name at birth is disputed, with variations including Dharmendra Keval Krishan Deol, Dharam Singh Deol, and Dharmendra Singh Deol. He spent his early years in Sahnewal and studied at Government Senior Secondary School in Laltan Kalan, Ludhiana district, where his father served as the village school headmaster. He completed his matriculation in Bhagwara in 1952. Dharmendra initially travelled to Mumbai without a clear path into the film industry. After failing to secure work, he returned to Punjab and took a job with a drilling company. He later rekindled his acting ambitions upon seeing an advertisement for the Filmfare magazine Talent Hunt, where he placed second. The winner, Suresh Puri, faded from prominence. Despite early recognition, he faced challenges and considered leaving Mumbai until encouraged to stay by fellow aspiring actor Manoj Kumar. He debuted in 1960 with Arjun Hingorani's romantic drama Dil Bhi Tera, Hum Bhi Tere, which went largely unnoticed and underperformed at the box office. His first commercial success came in 1961 with Ramesh Saigal's Shola Aur Shabnam, followed by hits like Mohan Kumar's Anpad 1962 and Bimal Roy's Bandini 1963, the latter winning the National Film Award for Best Feature Film in Hindi. 1970 to 1977, superstardom. In 1970, Dharmendra delivered 4 major hits and formed a successful on-screen pair with Hema Malini. Satyan Bose's Jeevan Mrityu, an adaptation of The Count of Monte Cristo, became a blockbuster. Bappi Soni's Tum Haseen Main Jawan and Asit Sen's Sharafat, both with Malini, were super hits, followed by a flop in Ishq Par Zor Nahi with Sadhna and a hit in Kab Kyon Aur Kahan with Babita. His supporting role in Raj Kapoor's Mera Naam Joker was initially a disaster, but later gained cult status. In 1971, Raj Khosla's Mera Gaon Mera Desh became an all-time blockbuster, establishing him as an action hero and earning a second Filmfare Best Actor nomination. It shifted industry trends toward action films. Success continued in 1972 with blockbusters like Sita Aur Geeta, super hits in Raja Jani and hits in Samadhi, propelling him to superstar status. 1973 was his peak year, with successes including A. Bhim Singh's Loafer, super hit, Jheel Ke Us Paar, hit, Jugnu, blockbuster in India and Soviet Union, Keemat, Jwar Bhata, Yadon Ki Baarat, blockbuster and Masala pioneer, Blackmail, underrated but later appreciated, and Kahani Qismat Ki, super hit. In 1974, Dulal Guha's Dost was a blockbuster, followed by moderate successes in Patthar Aur Payal and Resham Ki Dori, earning his fourth Filmfare Best Actor nomination. Amid the 1975 emergency, anti-corruption themes surged, boosting action films. Dharmendra starred alongside Amitabh Bachchan in Hrishikesh Mukherjee's hit comedy Chupke Chupke and Ramesh Sippy's Sholay, an all-time blockbuster with record runs. He ended the year with the hit Pratigya. In 1976, Ramanand Sagar's Charas was a super hit, and M.A. Tirumugam's Ma succeeded despite criticism. 1977 brought an all-time blockbuster in Manmohan Desai's Dharamveer, super hits in Chacha Bhatija, and successes in Khel Khiladi Ka and Dream Girl. Dharamveer performed strongly in the UK and sold 32 million tickets in the Soviet Union.
1978 to 1997. Continued success and minor setbacks. Post-1977, while film quality dipped, Dharmendra's draw persisted. In 1978, Shalimar and Pandibaz flopped, but Azad, super hit, and Dilagi succeeded. In 1979, Kartavya was a super hit, and Dil Ka Hira a hit. The 1980s began with Ravi Chopra's The Burning Train, average but later cult, blockbuster Alibaba or Chalis Chor, and hit Ram Balram with Bachchan. In 1981, Katilon Ke Katil was a super hit, but others like Aspas and Krodhi failed, while Professor Pyarelal averaged. 1982 saw 5 successes: Rajput, Badle Ki Aag, Gazab, Bagawat, and Samrat. In 1983, Naukar Bivika and Qayamat hit, but Razia Sultan flopped. 1984 had reasonable business in Bazi, Jagir, Jeene Nahi Dunga, and Dharm Aur Kanun. In 1985, J.P. Datta's Gulami was a super hit. 1986 brought success with Begana. 1987 was stellar with 8 hits, including super hits Hukumat, year's top grosser, Aag Hi Aag, and others like Insaniyat Ke Dushman, Loha, Dadagiri, Superman, Watan Ke Rakhwale, Insaf Kaun Karega, and Insaf Ki Pukar. Later hits included Khatron Ke Khiladi 1988 and Ailane Jung 1989. In the 1990s, his star power waned, but successes included Nakabandi, Veeru Dada, Humse Na Takrana 1990, Kohram 1991, and Tahalka 1992, his last lead hit. Kshatriya 1993 flopped amid controversy. Mid-1990s had averages like Police Wala Gunda 1995 and Mafia 1996, but failures in Maidane-Jung and Return of Jewel Thief. In 1997, he received the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award, emotionally noting his lack of a Best Actor win. Dilip Kumar praised his handsomeness.
1998 to 2025, shift to character roles. From the late 1990s, Dharmendra took character roles. Sohail Khan's Pyar Kiya to Darna Kya, 1998, was a super hit. Early 2000s flops included Kaise Kahun Ke Pyar Hai, 2003, and Kis Kis Ki Kismat, 2004. In 2007, he returned with Anurag Basu's Life in a Metro, hit, Anil Sharma's Apne, hit, and Sriram Raghavan's Johnny Gaddar, cult status. He appeared in Om Shanti Om's Divangi Divangi. In 2011, Yamla Pagla Divana hit, but sequels Yamla Pagla Divana 2 2013 and Yamla Pagla Divana Phir Se 2018 underperformed. Tell Me O Khuda 2011 flopped. In 2023, Karan Johar's Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani was a hit, earning over 3.5 billion rupees worldwide and the National Film Award for Best Popular Film. In 2024, Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya succeeded despite mixed reviews, grossing 1.3 billion rupees. His final film, the war drama 21 2025, based on Arun Khetrapal's life, released posthumously. Frequent collaborations. Dharmendra's most successful pairing was with Hema Malini, his wife, in films like Tum Haseen Main Jawan, Sharafat, Naya Zamana, Sita Aur Geeta, Raja Jani, Jugnu, Dost, Patthar Aur Payal, Sholay, Charas, Maa, Chacha Bhatija and Azad. He collaborated extensively with Arjun Hingorani, 1960 to 1991, Pramod Chakravarti, Naya Zamana, Jugnu, Dream Girl, Azad, and Anil Sharma, Hukumat, Ilane Jang, Farishte, Tehelka, Apne. Works in other languages. Early in his career, he appeared in the Bengali film Pari, 1966, with Dilip Kumar and Kesto Mukherjee. He starred in Punjabi films like Kankan De Hole, 1970, Do Sher, 1974, Dukh Bhanjan Tera Naam, 1974, Teri Meri Ek Jindri, 1975, Putt Jattan De, 1982, Kurbani Jat Di, 1990, and returned with Double the Trouble, 2014.
Other works. Political career. Dharmendra served as a BJP Lok Sabha member from Bikaner, Rajasthan, 2004 to 2009. His campaign included controversial remarks about being a dictator perpetua for etiquette lessons, drawing criticism. He faced backlash for infrequent parliament attendance, prioritizing films and his farmhouse. In 2011, he judged India's Got Talent Season 3 on Colors TV. In 2023, he debuted on television as Salim Chishti in Taj Divided by Blood on ZEE5. Producing and presenting films. In 1983, he founded Vijeta Films, launching Son Sunny Deol in Betab, second highest grosser of 1983. In 1990, Ghayal won 7 Filmfare Awards, including Best Film and the National Film Award for Best Popular Film. In 1995, Barsat launched Bobby Deol and Twinkle Khanna as a superhit. Legacy. Dharmendra is considered one of Indian cinema's most influential figures, a global sex symbol and the He-Man of Bollywood. He was voted among the world's most handsome men in the 1970s and appealed to millions of female fans. He uniquely delivered 7 successful films in a single year twice, 1973 and 1987. Following his death, the New York Times called him one of India's most versatile stars, and Variety hailed him as an enduring star. Critical appreciation. Notable performances include Satyakam and Sholay in India Times Top 25 Must-See Films, Filmfare Best Film of 50 Years. Rediff.com ranked him 10th in Top 10 Bollywood Actors of All Time 2019, and Outlook India included him in 75 Best Bollywood Actors 2022. Despite no acting awards, essayist Mukul Kesavan argued his talent was under-recognized due to heroine-centric films in the 1960s and multi-starrers in the 1970s. Vijay Lokapalli noted his 1980s shift to low-budget action films targeted working-class audiences, sustaining relevance despite criticism. He holds records for both successes and flops, around 180 from 1960 to 2013. Industry appreciation. Dilip Kumar praised his looks during the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award. He appeared in Box Office India's top actors list 18 times, 1968 to 1984, 1987, topping it 4 times, 1972 to 1975. Salman Khan admired him as the most beautiful-looking man. Jaya Bachchan called him a Greek god. Zeenat Aman named him her favorite co-star for his humility. Madhuri Dixit hailed him as one of the most handsome persons on screen. Relationships and family. Dharmendra married Prakash Kaur in 1954 at age 19 before entering films.
They had sons Sunny and Bobby Deol, actors, and daughters Vijeta and Ajita. He later married Hema Malini in 1980 amid controversy, denying conversion rumors and affirming his Hindu faith. They had daughters Aisha Deol, actress, and Ahana Deol, assistant director. He lived at his Lonavala farmhouse in later years with family in Juhu, Mumbai. In 2023, he expressed disappointment over Bollywood's neglect of the Deol family. Relatives include cousin Virendra, Punjabi actor, director-producer Guddu Dhanoa, and nephew Abhay Deol, actor, launched via Vijeta Films.
Poetry. Inspired by Meena Kumari during Phool Aur Patthar 1966, Dharmendra developed a passion for poetry, favoring Mirza Ghalib. After a 2001 back ailment, he wrote verses reflecting on life. His Punjabi poem Aj Bhi Ji Karda Hai Pind Apne Nu Janwa featured in 21/2025. Health issues and death. In 2010, Dharmendra quit alcohol after a health scare, having previously struggled with addiction. From 2015 to 2020, he faced back pain, muscle strain and weakness, requiring hospitalization. In 2025, he underwent corneal transplant surgery. Hospitalized on 31st October 2025 for breathing difficulties, he was discharged quickly. Readmitted on 10th November for respiratory issues, he was placed on ventilator support. Rumors of his death on 11th November were debunked by family. Dharmendra died on 24th November 2025 at his Mumbai residence from age-related illness, aged 89. His last rites occurred at Pawan Hans Crematorium in Vile Parle, attended by family and industry peers. Filmography. Main article Dharmendra Filmography. Accolades and honors. Civilian Award. 2012 Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian honor. National Film Awards. 1990 Best Popular Film providing wholesome entertainment, Ghayal, producer. Other honors include mid-1970s voted one of the world's most handsome men. 1999 Lifetime Achievement Annual Kalakar Awards. Living Legend Award FICCI. 2003 Lifetime Achievement Sansui Viewers' Choice Movie Awards. 2004 Best Contribution to Indian Cinema. 2005 Zee Cine Lifetime Achievement. 2007 Lifetime Achievement Pune International Film Festival, IFA Lifetime Achievement, Humanitarian Services to Indian Nation, DBR Entertainment Lifetime Achievement, Qaumi Ekta Honor. 2008 Actor Par Excellence Max Stardust Awards, Lifetime Achievement Mami International Film Festival. 2009 Lifetime Achievement Nashik International Film Festival. 2011 Lifetime Achievement Apsara Awards, Salam Maharashtra Award, ITA Scroll of Honor. 2017 Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Nobel Award. 2020 Lifetime Achievement State of New Jersey, USA.